How to fix YouTube black screen issue. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can resolve an issue if you're experiencing a black screen on your YouTube mobile application. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. The first thing you have to do is restart the application once, close the YouTube app completely and reopen the application to see if the issue is resolved. If that does not help you, then check your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. That may be your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And even if your internet connection is working fine and if this issue still persists, then the third option is to update the YouTube application if any update is available. So to check the update, you have to open up Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar, search for YouTube. If you see an update option, that means the application needs to be updated. Tap on update, and once the update is complete, go back, open up the YouTube and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, then you have to clear cache and data. So in order to clear cache, for that you have to open up settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right and in the search bar, search for YouTube. Here scroll down a bit and tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove the glitches from the application. Once done, you can close this and open up the application and check whether the problem is now solved or not. If still not, also you have to look for the permission. Ensure that the YouTube application has all the necessary permissions. Again, to look for permissions, you have to go to settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, and using the search icon, search for YouTube. Once here, tap on permissions, and here make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions for YouTube. Now once you have done that, you can go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, sometimes the high quality video struggles to load and you may see the black screen. So for that, tap on the settings icon on the video player and then you can lower the video quality to 480p or 360. So try to decrease the video quality as well. If that still does not help you, then try to log out of your Google account and try to log in back again to refresh your account setting and see if that works out for you. If still not, then what you can do is you can delete the YouTube application from your device and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Then you can log into your Google account and your problem may get solved. And if the issue still persists, then you can report the problem to the application to the support center. For that, you have to go to the profile again. So open up YouTube profile and here you can go to the help and feedback and then tap on send feedback, and then you can send your issue to YouTube support. They will get back to you with a solution and that may help you to resolve your issue. So make sure to follow the instructions, and these are some of the ways that will help you to fix if you're experiencing a black screen on YouTube. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.